Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. Let's mute it a bit. Okay, so today we're gonna be seeing some sky wheels. So welcome to SkyView. Find stars, constellations, planets, satellites and more by simply pointing this device at objects in the sky. So you can select your location automatically. You can allow, but I'm gonna say deny for now. Let's go with manually. Let's go find Turkey. Turkey. And Istanbul. We're not going to use the camera right now, but if you use the camera, when you just use your phone like this, you will be able to see the where is what, you can calibrate your device. If at any time objects in the sky do not quite line up with your device, you can hold your device firmly and do a 8-figure motion to calibrate its internal sensors, which is a great thing. So right now, since you can see we don't have anything from here, we can but since you're gonna be able to use your phone, you will be able to see everything, but I don't have that option right now because so I'm not using my phone. Actually, from this search bar, you can, as you can see, you touch and you can look at the solar systems, you see, but the ones that we can see is Jupiter and Saturn actually. And we can see some stars. As you can see, all of them are written. If from the, for example, Arcturus is the third brightest star in the sky, and I believe it's this side. Or like we can have some star clusters as M2. For this, we have to upgrade, but we don't have to do it right now. So we also have constellations such as Aries, Aquarius, Pisces, Scorpius. We have all of them. So it's actually looking, if we would be using our phone, it would show us how to move our phone. We have our brightest satellites, we have nebulae and galaxies, massive objects. And from here, actually, if, for example, we go with Jupiter, right? And then if we actually, as you can see, when we touch this, Jupiter is written down there. If we touch there, we will have information about it. We will know its classification, declination, elevation, distance from Earth, diameter, volume, mass, number of moons, like everything you actually want to know about it, you will know. So if we go and click this star, it's going to be our favorite. So let's go and click our favorite. As you can see now, we can reach Jupiter from here. Also, we have like what could be a mass here. As you can see, M2 star cluster in Aquarius above horizon. It's this side. Since right now I cannot show you guys, I'm sorry. Let's click. You see, it's telling you, and also it has a link that can send you to Wikipedia page for more information, which is a great thing. So you don't actually have to leave the app, go and try to find what it is. So I think it helps. We have nebulae and galaxies. We can see Gamma Cygni, IC59. Like, we have a lot of things, right? Don't we? Like, only if you would know what we're looking at. So exactly what this app is doing, exactly that, it's showing you location. So if you actually move your phone that way, you will be able to see, I believe. I'm trying to see like if I could be able to. No, I'm not gonna be able to show. So from the hamburger menu, we can have some downloads. Maybe if you upgrade to premium version, you can look at your display. If you use your iPhone or phone, if you turn your augmented reality camera, when you take your phone to the sky and see the sky, you will have them as augmented reality, like even though they don't really show like that, you will be able to see how they're actually looking, because before the air pollution, we're not actually able to see everything very clearly. And also device, there are some things here. uh, Screen always on, constellation art, constellation lines, satellites. We have visible star magnitude. It's going to be taking the visible stars. You can see the planet size. You can make it big, make it little. So also we also have night mode. We have red. Let's see how the red looks. I'm trying to see. Yeah, I didn't really like it, so I didn't like it. I think it was looking better off. Yeah, it's way better like this, if you ask me. Also, here we have music and sounds. You can turn it on, turn it off. We have our beacon. This beacon feature is only supported the premium version, but if you have it, then you can have it. You don't have to have the stargazing music, but I think it is just giving it the taste, like it's adding some spices on top, so I think it should just stay like that. We can change our location, date and time. As you can see, it's showing where I'm exactly at, and you can spread the word with your friends. You can help and feedback. You can space navigator also. It's going to guide you where to aim your space navigator, like telescope. It could be a telescope, or to see satellites, planets, stars, and more, using this app, which is amazing. If you ask me, maybe you just got your telescope and you don't know how to use it. So before shutting down the video, I want to ask you guys something. Would you like Let's say, would you rather living in the city center and being able to know stars ever again in your life, no matter where you go in the city? Or would you rather living in a countryside where it is a bit far to city, but you will have the skies, you will have the stars 24/7, like at night, or when you just look at them? Which one would you like to prefer? Let me know in the comments. Do not forget to like this video. Do not forget to download this app at the same time. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to hit that button too, because I'm gonna come with more information, and I'm gonna see you guys. We're gonna be able to see each other in my next video. Take care.